name is Pin. I'm the CEO and founder of European College of Aesthetic Medicine and Surgery, which is called ECAMS. ECAMS is a complete platform that specializes in online, hands-on, private training and clinical mentoring and also fellowship programs for aesthetic doctors and surgeons.
ECAMS was started in 2008, and the founder of ECAMS, Pinlin, wanted to see that better educational opportunities were available specifically in aesthetic medicine and then in aesthetic surgery.
Since then, ECAMS has risen to become the global leader in aesthetic medicines and surgery training and had over 2,000 doctors trained worldwide.
It's a great opportunity for me to be an ECAMS faculty because it's an extremely reputable European college, and also we are propagating a good science and we are delivering a good science and knowledge for all delegates from all over the world.
For the first time in medical courses for aesthetic practitioners, we will do architectural contouring. It's how to develop aesthetic eyes for aesthetic practitioners. And we are offering the ECAMS emergency kit with all its criteria and all its components.
Their commitment to education means the support you receive is unparalleled. This is the very reason I chose to join ECAMS. Before this, I ran my own training school, but it lacked the focused, ongoing post-course support that ECAMS excels in. The journey with ECAMS extends far beyond the classroom. They empower you to become an expert in your field, earning the respect and recognition of both patients and peers.
And that is a great occasion for us doctors to exchange. So it's not just about teaching, because some of the doctors who come here are actually experienced doctors who want to come and see different techniques of injection from different doctors from around the world who are members of the faculty.
Our aim is to share all our tips and tricks, all that we developed in our own practice in our countries, and to share with the delegates in order to make things simple, but with always the first concern, which is the safety. So safe anatomy, safe layers, and simple techniques that can bring us beautiful result and long-lasting result.
I like really to share my knowledge with the delegates. You feel they want to learn really the most they can learn, and I try to get all my tricks, and they are very interested. It's very grateful that they are so happy.
We are the only college that provide one platform for multidisciplinary specialists so that they can design their own path in their aesthetic career.
I was pleased to find that it was an organization dedicated to high quality training and hands-on learning experience. And there are very few educational opportunities that can match what ECAMS provides.
And I hope to inspire the new generation in the future with being international speakers like we are today with the ECAMS.
Our progressive learning approach, featuring hands-on training and hybrid learning, allows you to choose whichever journey that suits you the best.
ECAMS is a society, long-lasting society, that get popularity because of their courses dedicated firstly to aesthetic medicine, combining from one side science and from the other side practice. This is the spirit that we want to keep in our courses, and I want to keep in my courses dedicated to gynecology and to regenerations.
I was involved with ECAMS since their first congress in 2013 in Barcelona, and I start to really enjoy the philosophy of ECAMS since this first congress. And when I found ECAMS, I found a new concept of teaching and transmission of knowledge of surgery, but was outside of the sclerotic and bureaucratic function of university, but much more dynamic, much more practical.
Normally, when you go to university, the university gives you the knowledge of the surgery, of the medical science. But the problem is, when you go in a private practice, for example, you have to do something that is more on the patients, not on the books.
In ECAMS, you will learn everything. You will learn how to approach in a safe way, to give natural results to your patients. You will learn
how to approach a patient for the skin. You will learn which injectables, which machine to use to create a nice result.
We demonstrate everything on fresh cadavers, and you get to do everything with your hands, all the sophisticated techniques from the basic to the advanced.
They learn how to treat difficult cases, revisions, and we are standing next to the candidates and show them step by step how to do it. This is not possible in their home hospital. And I can only say that this is certainly one of the best rhinoplasty courses in the world.
Our mission at ECAMS is to elevate the aesthetic standards through top-tier hands-on training and educations.
When average people think about aesthetic medicine and the current industry goals, normal people would say that this is nothing to do with real medicine and this is just the cosmetician. But actually, ECAMS is striving for giving back the real advanced medicine and real advanced science and knowledge behind the aesthetic goals and the aesthetic achievements. So this is not just another cosmetic products or cosmetic procedure. This is real science and real knowledge and real medicine applied into some greater good.
Everyone wants to inject and everyone is treating patients, but not everyone has the same standard and level of education and doesn't produce the adequate results. With ECAMS we want to change that. We want to have a high standard of education for everyone who is going into the medical aesthetic field, to have an educational level that is evidence-based, that is scientifically highly evaluated, with high experienced faculty and people training globally all around the world to change the situation.
With ECAMS, our vision is to bring all thought leaders, and all of us participate with each other and we strengthen each other, because each of us have our specialties and we have our strengths, and we participate and we teach selflessly to all the people who want to also upgrade themselves in cosmetic, medical and surgical practices.
Our goal here at ECAMS is to really make sure that you master the technique, you become good at what you're doing, and that sets you apart from other programs. There are other cheap programs where you can go, but really the mentoring 101 that we're offering, nobody offer it.
Join us to expand your aesthetic skills and make a lasting impact in this field.